Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a split entrance animation in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your PowerPoint presentation. Now I am select the text box and go to the animation menu. Now we can see here many animation. Now I am select the split. We can see we add a split animation easily. You can change the effect. Select the effect drop down menu. You can split the animation horizontally or horizontally out or vertically out or in. Now I'm select the horizontally in. You can change this vertically. Now I'm select the text box and added the animation. You can increase the duration or decrease the duration. Now I make the duration 1 minute. Then select the preview option and we can see we added the animation easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.